It is our pleasure to welcome you to San Juan, where the local time is 4:30.
Made it to Puerto Rico. Now we're on our way to a waterfall, and we're gonna meet up some friends there, and hopefully they'll have a package for me. We'll see what's in it. What's up?
Yo, we got something for you.
Hell yeah. It's so discreet. What could be in here? What's up guys? JD with JAXON Wellness. I'm the company's videographer. I'm on vacation here in Puerto Rico, and so I had a box of CBD flower shipped to my friends, and we're gonna unbox it at this waterfall here. The nice thing that we're highlighting here is that JAXON can ship to almost any state in the country. Ideally, you do not want to fly with CBD flower. It is federally compliant, but it's just not a good idea. At the same time though, you want to be able to enjoy some quality smoke while you're on your trip. So why not on your next vacation, ship a little flower if you're in the US. So here we go, we're gonna unbox this. Let's see what we got. So the nice thing about JAXON is that everything comes in a discreet box, right? And everything's also vacuum sealed, so it doesn't smell, there's no odor. So here's what we've got. Got some Bubba Kush. This is some nice high quality Oregon indoor flower. We've also got some pre-rolls here. These are also Bubba Kush. That's actually my favorite. It is a fan favorite. Let's see, we got a few more packs of flower. This is also some high-end indoor. Ooh, we got our flower of the month here, some lemon octane. This stuff's real nice. And then we also have a dog. Yeah, so that's pretty much, oh, nope, there's one more. They actually gave me a few more here. Let's see, what else we got? Ooh, yeah, sour lifter. This is also one of my favorites. Let's see. The other thing about this too that's really important to highlight is that each of these comes with a letter to law enforcement so that they know that it's federally compliant. But yeah, that's all I've got for you guys right now. I'm gonna go jump off that waterfall and smoke some joints. See you later.